Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will compare oregano leaf versus oregano oil. We will explore the distinct characteristics of each form, from their origins to their primary applications. You will learn about the varying concentrations of beneficial compounds and how that impacts their potency. This comparison will help you understand when to choose the milder herb for cooking and when to consider the more concentrated oil for specific wellness goals. Oregano leaf, whether fresh or dried, is a beloved culinary herb, adding a warm, aromatic flavor to countless dishes. It's a fantastic source of antioxidants, helping to protect your body. Beyond its taste, the leaf offers vitamins A, C, and K, plus minerals like iron and calcium, contributing to general wellness. It's perfect for everyday cooking, from a sprinkle on pizza to a robust addition in stews. Oregano oil is a powerful, concentrated extract, typically obtained through steam distillation. Its strength comes from active compounds like carvacrol, often present at levels exceeding 60%, and thymol. These compounds give the oil its notable antimicrobial, antifungal, and anti-inflammatory effects. Due to its potency, it is crucial to always dilute oregano oil significantly before applying it to the skin or taking it internally, usually with a carrier oil. The main distinction lies in potency and application. Oregano leaf is a gentle, flavorful herb for your kitchen, while the oil is a highly concentrated product for specific wellness needs. Remember, one drop of oil can be equivalent to many fresh leaves. Always dilute the oil properly, typically 1 part oil to 3 parts carrier oil. If you are pregnant, breastfeeding, or have underlying health conditions, consult a healthcare provider before using oregano oil.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.